Hello, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Sprout Social. What is Sprout Social, you may ask? Well, it is a cloud-based social media management platform. It is perfect for solopreneurs like myself or businesses of all sizes. Some advantages that you will get by using this platform is you will be able to monitor all of your social media platforms on one dashboard. So you can connect your Instagram, Twitter, all social media platforms that you use. And from here, you'll be able to schedule your uploads. You'll be able to view what type of content is increasing or decreasing the ROI of your business. So you'll be able to create better content and you'll be able to tailor your content for your specific desires. If this sounds good to you and this sounds like a platform that you would like to use, be sure to stick around until the end as I will be breaking this down beginner friendly so that you can start using it and in turn increase your conversion on social media. The first thing you want to do is sign up. To sign up, you can do that for completely free by tapping on try for free. After you have tapped on try for free, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can sign up using a social media platform or you can use your email address. After you have signed up, they will ask you to connect some social media platforms, so you can quickly do that. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Now, once on this dashboard, what I want you to do is you can start adding your team members if you have a big team. So for instance, all you'll need to do is go over to the right hand menu option and you're going to tap on the third icon from the bottom, which is invite team members. You could tap right there. Now, once you have done that, you can see right here, you can input the team member first, last name, email address, then tap on add. And after that, you can choose the person's role right there. You can choose what type of permission you would like to give them. Then you will tap on send invites. Another thing that you can also do is you can compose your first social media post. So you're going to tap on compose in the top right hand corner. From here, you can choose the page or the social media platform that you would like to post it on. As you can see here, you could tap on the page that you would like to post it on. Then you can tap in the box right here and you could compose your message that you would like to send out. If it is a case that you would like to add emojis, you can do that. If it is a case that you would like to do audience targeting, you can also do that. And you can upload images or media from your device by simply tapping right here, and you can do that. And if you would like to save it as a draft, you can simply toggle on draft. But if it is a case that you would like to schedule it, you can also do that by scrolling down right where you see when to post. You could tap right there and you can see immediately auto schedule with Sprout Q, or you can tap on specific days and time. By tapping on specific days and time, right where you see the date, you can select the date or dates that you would like to post it, and you can select the specific time that you would like to post it. Once you have done that, you could tap on schedule at the bottom of the page and the post will go out whenever you have scheduled it to be released. So that is the beautiful thing about Sprout Social. You'll be able to schedule it. Another thing that you can also do is by going over to the left hand menu option. Another feature that I really like with them is you will be able to track your competition. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Sprout Social compared to similar platforms. So all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option and right where you see the bar icon right here, you're going to tap right there. After you have tapped on the bar icon, you will be redirected to a new dashboard, which is the reports dashboard. On the reports dashboard, all I want you to do now is you're going to scroll down so you can see that you can add, or better yet, you can integrate your Google Analytics. You can integrate all different type of platforms. So you can add your Instagram right here. You can add your LinkedIn page. You can connect all of the pages that you want, as you can see right here. But the standout feature is the competitor performance right here. So you could tap right here where you see competitor performance. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And this is the demo version of how it will look. So you'll be able to view your competitors and see how their posts are bettered, how their engagement is going on. And to set this up, all you'll need to do is toggle off the demo mode. Then from there, you could scroll down and you will tap on add competitor, and you can simply input your competitor page. You can also do that with Twitter or Instagram. And from there, you'll be able to view when your competitor uploads, what type of engagement they are getting, and so on. And you can also see or track their target audience if they are running ads and so on. So this is definitely a good feature and a standout feature, I think, when it comes on to Sprout Social, as you can also track post performance for yourself. So you could tap on post performance by tapping in the top left hand corner, and you can see how your post is performing. You can tap on tag performance to see how your tags are performing. You can also see how your paid ads are performing by tapping on paid performance, and you can connect your ad account by tapping on connect ad account right here. And if we should go over to the top left hand corner, you can tap on the dashboard to go back to the main dashboard, on which you'll be able to view all of your content and how it is performing, as you can see right here. And you can tap on your smart inbox to view your inbox. If it is a case that you would like to create tasks for yourself or for team members, you can do that by tapping on the third icon from the top left hand corner. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, as you can see right here, you'll be able to view all of your tasks and your priorities, as you can see here. And if you would like to set up anything, you can tap on assignees right there, and you'll be able to assign it to an individual. You could tap right there, and after you have done that, you can select the types. So you can select it right there, and you'll be able to view the status. You can also set up the priority. Then you could tap on save as right here to save it. So you'll be able to create tasks if you want for your different team members. Now let's go back to the left hand menu option. By tapping on feeds from the left hand menu option, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you will be able to view your different social media feeds. So for instance, you'll be able to view your Twitter feed and other social media platforms right here. And by going over to the left hand menu option once more, if you were to tap on the envelope icon, from there you'll be able to view all of your publishing schedules. So you'll be redirected to your calendar right here, and you'll be able to see your posts that you have scheduled. So you can tap on the particular day, or you can select the particular month. And from here, you can also schedule a random post by tapping on the day that you'd like to schedule it. Then tap on schedule posts. And by going over to the top left hand corner, from here you can view the posts that need scheduling. So you can view the drafts and the scheduled posts right there. And going over again, we're going to tap on listening right below the envelope icon to view your brand health, and also you'll be able to view other insights that you can use to increase your audience engagement and so on. And that's basically it when it comes on to Sprout Social. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if it is a case that you would like to go onto their paid plan, let's check that out so you can know how much is their paid plan. By tapping on pricing, you can see that their paid plan starts off at $249 per month, and it goes up to $499 per month. So it all depends on the amount of team members that you have and also the amount of social media profiles that you would like to monitor. So for $249 per month, you'll be able to monitor 5 social profiles, but if you were to go up to $399, you will be able to monitor unlimited social profiles, as you can see right here. And with the $399 plan, you'll also get the competitive reports that I was talking about earlier. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.